We're looking at Monarch Mountain right now in the central mountain areas, and you can see it's still snowing in the central mountains, but a pretty different story as we take a live look from our Rock Rimmon studios. We've actually got a few peaks of sunshine here in southern Colorado this morning, and it's a chilly morning, 37 degrees here in the Springs, and it feels like 33 with a weak easterly wind at 5 miles per hour. Both of those things are going to change later. Much stronger winds, no sunshine in the skies, friends. So if you do have any travel plans today or you have any errands to run today, sooner rather than later is going to be your ticket to success. Now, as we take a look at the latest details I've got on our winter storm, we've already seen the first round of rain and snow move through the area. It's now moving to the east. Those briefly heavy showers in the eastern plains now working away. We're going to see a midday break, which we're seeing now across the Front Range corridor, but the snow will continue in the mountains, as you just saw, through the day. And then we now have, this is new from last night, a winter storm watch that will go into effect tonight at 8 p.m. It'll last until 11 a.m. tomorrow for most of the Front Range corridor, central and northeastern plains due to wind gusts to 50 miles per hour and patchy but very heavy snow later tonight, which will time out in just a minute. All these areas shaded in light blue that you see here, these are all of the areas in that winter storm watch, in addition to the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings to the west that we have already been tracking for you. Now, as we take a look at satellite and radar right now, you can see some of that energy, that first round now making its way out of the area. If you are in Kit Carson, Eads, or Lamar, right now you are still seeing a few of those showers, but they're really coming to an end for you at this point, and nothing right now across the rest of the area. As we take a look at Futurecast, let's fast forward to the second part of this system. That's going to be courtesy of this cold front you see here. It'll work through the Front Range corridor around 7 p.m. with snow and rain starting about an hour after that. So around 6 or 7 p.m., around 6 p.m. for Woodland Park, 7 to 8 p.m. in the Springs, 9 p.m. for the Eastern Plains for your start times for this precipitation, which will start as rain, quickly transitioning to snow, particularly between the Springs and Denver tonight. I think we could see these 1 to 3 inch per hour snowfall rates. That's going to create very treacherous driving conditions. So even though we're not looking at really high totals with this storm system, where it is snowing, you're not going to be able to see. It's not going to be fun or safe to drive. So you're going to want to be off the roads Saturday night to Sunday morning, hence why that winter storm watch is in effect. When you wake up Sunday morning, we'll still be seeing some patchy snow across the area. It won't be quite as continuous as that first batch you saw there with the cold front, and that'll continue into the early afternoon. Some of those patchy snow bands, even on Sunday morning, may still be on the heavy side, hence why that watch goes through 11 a.m. tomorrow before that snow starts to reduce. Now, I've gotten a couple of questions this morning. Why are the snow totals so low if I'm talking about 1 to 3 inch per hour rates? And that's because these are going to be short-lasting storms that cover a small area. So overall, the big area that gets a lot of accumulation is the Palmer Divide, 4 to 7 inches in Monument, 3 to 6 as well in Teller County with good upslope flow. For the rest of us, 1 to 3 inches is going to be the norm, with a couple spots maybe picking up 5. I think later tonight we'll have a better idea of some of the areas, these very tight areas that should get higher totals. Your temperatures out the door right now in the mid to upper 30s to lower 40s. Highs today reaching the mid to upper 50s, about 10 to 15 degrees above average, before we really change the picture heading towards Sunday, and we will top out our temperatures at 32. After this storm system works through, Monday to Friday all look nice. Temperatures in the 30s climbing up to the 40s. Pueblo, similar story. 30s on Monday. 40s through the middle of the week, 49 on Wednesday. That's your pick of the week before we cool back down to the lower 40s on Friday. In Canyon City, a similar story. Lower snow totals, lower storm impact. Still take it easy Saturday night to Sunday morning. And in Woodland Park, the reverse. You'll see more snow, so you're definitely going to want to stay off of those roads on Sunday morning.
All right.